you said yes, then we were engaged, basically.
Of course you said yes, yeah.
I get it. You don't want to tell the story. That's fine. Okay. Hello.
Hello, Millie.
How are you?
I'm good.
What are you doing?
I want to ask you whether my picture is good, or I have to flip it upside down.
No, it's good.
Yeah. Because today I started to flip my cell phone to get a better video.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I can see we have like a listen friends.
A what in France?
I don't know, but can you close this listen to get a better video
Oh, I'm
picture?
sorry. Okay, I didn't see that.
I don't know. Cambly nowadays selected these listens. Now it's better. I can see you in a big picture.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Let me just
Yeah.
clear it on my end too. Okay.
Yeah, it's
What's going
okay.
on?
It's better now. So how are you?
I'm good. Same.
Do
Just
you
a different day.
do you still in Istanbul, or you flew
Yeah.
to the New York?
No, I'm still in Istanbul. Yeah.
Istanbul. So
Yeah.
we still on the same time.
Yeah, we are. Yeah, 2 p.m.
Yeah, 2:15 p.m.
Okay, fine. 2:18 p.m. Oh, it's 2:19. Okay.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I have I today I want to learn something about about vocabulary, about wedding, anniversary, stuff like that. When
Okay.
the bride and the groom, all these things, I want to know
Okay.
about it. So
Okay.
maybe how can I date someone, or how can I respond to for someone who date me? Oh, thank God, my wife doesn't speak English. Thank God.
Yeah, wait, he's married.
I'm learning this. For example, maybe I face this when I teach someone, or I have to explain for someone.
Or you could
Okay.
hear it in a movie and you'll know what it means, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah,
But
right. Okay. So,
before we get into this conversation, recently I started to have exercises about tenses. So just I need to enlighten me for at some points. When I want to negative sentences, I always use randomly. I didn't, I wasn't, I haven't.
okay.
Yeah, so I need to correct my thoughts about that. When I want to use I was or I wasn't, like I wasn't for a place, I wasn't there.
Oh, I wasn't there is correct. I wasn't.
The
Give me an example.
okay, for didn't, haven't, and wasn't. What is
Okay.
the differences between them?
Oh, okay. I wasn't ready for this question.
I think I know them, but I need to use them in the right place.
Yeah.
Sometimes I say I wasn't, but I use it in the wrong place.
Okay. I'm going to give you a couple of examples. I didn't expect this question.
Okay, it's a good example.
What was the other one? I wasn't, I didn't, and what was the other thing?
I wasn't ready for this question. Okay, I didn't expect this question. It's a good example. So when I say I haven't, like something I own this thing, And I haven't this thing.
For example, I need $1. Do you have $1? I haven't $1. Or you can say, I haven't had any experience with something. Or I haven't watched that movie yet.
I haven't
Watched that movie yet.
But we cannot say like I didn't watch that movie.
That movie yet. Yeah.
We can.
You can, of course you can. For example, if I said, have you watched the Avengers? And you would say, I haven't watched the Avengers.
I haven't watched. I get you. Like it depends on what you ask me about according to the auxiliary verb.
Right. For example, if I said, "Oh, did you watch the Avengers?" Your answer would be,
no, I didn't.
Right. Have you watched the Avengers?
Yeah. No, I haven't.
Good.
But I actually did.
Okay, me too. Okay.
So thank you. This is fair enough.
Okay.
So let's jump into our topic.
Okay. What do you want to know exactly? Like just different terms for, like, for example, you know the bride, you know the groom, do you know the bridesmaids and the maid of honor?
The bride and the groom, the bride honor, the bride.
The maid of honor.
Okay, the bride with P or B?
Bride.
Bride. Okay, so maid of honor.
Okay, so the maid of honor is the best friend of the bride that pretty much helps with all of the organizing of the wedding.
Yeah, I saw many movies about this stuff, like the bride and the best friends of the bride, like helping her and stand up with her.
Yeah, they stand
when
up with her.
What do you call it of this bride of the?
The maid of honor is the best friend, the closest one that helps with everything, and then you have the bridesmaids.
The bridesmaids.
Yeah, so, the other friends or closer.
The groom.
Close girls.
Also, the groom has maid of honor.
No, the groom has groomsmen.
Groomsmen.
And a best man.
Yeah.
Groomsman, and the best friend is the best man. So there is one closest person to the groom, the best man, and then a group of other men are called the groomsmen.
The groomsmen.
Yeah.
It's good to know that.
Yeah. So when the groom is waiting at the altar when the bride comes with the father or whoever is giving her away, and they're all waiting at the altar, the maid of honor, the bridesmaids, the best man, and groomsmen. And then she goes, and the father gives her away, and then and then the priest starts talking. Okay.
So what about the proposal?
The proposal, okay.
It's related with our topic.
Yeah, it is, of course. But this is before the wedding. This is the engagement.
Yeah, engagement. So how can I describe, like put proposal in this sentence?
Okay.
Like okay. Let me try. Okay. Like I proposed my wife to engage her. To engage her.
Yeah. No. Were you gonna say I proposed to my wife? Did you propose to your wife? How did you propose, for example?
Okay.
How did you propose to your wife? Ahmed?
But I proposed to my wife. Okay.
Okay. Do you remember how you proposed to your wife?
Yeah, I remember. Of
Do you
course.
want to
This
tell me?
this this I will never forget this date.
Okay, how? What did you say?
In Arabic or English?
Well, explain it to me in English.
I'm tired of speaking English. Maybe I'll try speaking Arabic.
No, tell me.
I propose. So just to understand the question, I propose to my wife. I proposed to my wife for for engage for
No, you just say
engagement.
I proposed. I mean, everyone's gonna know what you're talking about. I proposed. Like I proposed to
I
my wife, well, before you were married. So I proposed to her, will you marry me? You know? And
Will you marry me? I proposed. Yeah, yeah. For this proposal for okay, yeah, for marrying me.
she said yes, then we were engaged, basically.
Of course, you said yes. Yeah,
I get it. You don't want to tell the story. That's fine. Okay. So I proposed to
yeah,
my wife. She said yes. Then we were engaged. And then you have an engagement party.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very very good. Yeah, and we
Yeah.
have like engagement party.
Hmm.
After that, we get wedding. We got married.
Then we got married. We had a
We
wedding.
got married. We
Did
had a wedding
when you have that big wedding party, it's called a ceremony. Our wedding ceremony.
ceremony. Ceremony. What does that mean? Is it like
It's
a
the
hall or?
celebration. It's the
Uh-huh.
big party where everybody comes. They give you money and gold and gifts because you're getting married, you know? It's a big
Yeah.
party. Usually, I don't know, maybe not in your country, but
Or
with
no,
music and
they
dancing.
gave at that time they gave her only a gold, but
Yeah.
I didn't get anything. I don't know.
Oh,
I just paid.
yeah. Oh, okay. So,
I paid for for the weddings
well, yeah,
for
usually we put the gold on the bride also. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah exactly yeah.
Okay.
Is it
Other guy.
is it the same there in America? Like the bride get gold?
No. Usually there's
They,
a registry, and you buy a gift from the registry. For example, they'll register at a big department store. They'll get, I don't know, gifts like kitchen towels, like kitchen appliances, a coffee machine, um, I don't know, pots, pans, like different
no,
items for their house.
The Iraqi girl will hit me by this towel.
Yeah, I mean, I like our way better. I like the money and the gold because I want to buy it
Yeah.
myself.
Yeah, but like in America or any any foreign country, they don't follow this tradition. Like they give the groom give the bride money
Uh, no,
or gold
no,
in a specific.
the guests, like people that come to your ceremony, they give gifts. Some people do give a card with money inside. It's very common also.
Yeah,
I mean, it's easier too, you know?
yeah. Here the same. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, and very common
yeah, yeah,
to get to give money in envelope
yeah,
and write something
yeah,
kind
yeah.
to.
Congratulations. Yeah. In
Yeah,
your
yeah,
country, do they
that's
wear
right.
a white dress? The bride? Is it a white dress?
Yeah, white dress. Yeah,
Oh, okay, okay. I thought it was a red
yeah.
dress. Who wears a red dress?
And in engagement party, they can wear whatever you want. Like it's up to the bride, whether green or red or
Oh,
black.
okay.
But in wedding day, they have to wear a white dress.
Okay. And what about the henna? You guys do henna nights, right?
Yeah.
And is it men and women or
Before
just women?
the man and woman before the wedding day.
Yeah, before the wedding, like the day before, I think.
The day before.
The day before, one day before the wedding.
One day before the wedding.
Yeah. Okay, we're done.
Bye bye.
See you.